Today I'll show you how to contact Proton Mail support so you can quickly get help whenever something isn't working the way it should. We'll go step by step through the process inside your Proton Mail account, and by the end you'll know exactly what to click, what to write, and how to share useful details like screenshots and system information to speed up the support process. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official Proton Mail website and then sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. You'll need to be logged in so that support can see which account you're contacting them from and better understand your subscription and setup. Once you're signed in and looking at your Proton Mail interface, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area. This might appear as your initials, your profile picture, or a small user icon. Click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and settings. In this menu, look for the option labeled Help and Feedback. This is where Proton Mail collects all of the tools you can use to get assistance or send in your comments. Go ahead and click Help and Feedback. This will open a new window or section that focuses specifically on support and troubleshooting. Inside the Help and Feedback area, you'll see different ways to get assistance. The one we want for directly reaching support is called Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem. This opens the form you'll use to tell Proton Mail support what's going on. You'll see a text box where you can describe your issue. Take a moment here to type what happened in as much clear detail as you can. Explain what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. If you saw an error message, try to include the exact wording. Mention any steps you've already tried, like refreshing the page or using a different browser. The clearer and more specific you are, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and resolve the issue. Below or near that description box, you'll have the option to attach a screenshot. This is very helpful for the support team, especially if the problem is visual, like something not displaying correctly or a specific error on the screen. Click the option to attach a screenshot, then select the image file from your computer. Before you upload, double check that the screenshot does not reveal any sensitive information you don't want to share, such as full emails, private conversations, or personal data. Next, you'll be asked to enter your system information. This usually includes details like the device you're using, your operating system, and the browser and version you're on. Some forms will autofill this, while others might give you fields to type it in. Providing accurate system information helps the support team reproduce the issue on their side. For example, they can test it on the same browser and operating system that you're using. Once you've written your description, attached any screenshots you want to share, and filled in your system information, take a quick moment to review everything. Make sure your explanation is complete, your attachments are correct, and nothing sensitive is unintentionally visible. When everything looks good, click the Submit button. Your report will be sent directly to Proton Mail support. After submitting, keep an eye on your email inbox for a reply from the support team. They may ask follow-up questions or provide steps to fix the problem. And that's it. You've now contacted Proton Mail support using the built-in Report a Problem tool with all the key details they need to help you as efficiently as possible.